welcome back to our channel. Meet the Breville BOV950BST Joule Smart Countertop Oven Air Fryer, a powerful, versatile, and intelligent kitchen companion that brings professional-grade cooking into your home. With its smart technology, multiple cooking functions, and precision controls, this countertop oven is designed to replace several appliances in one. Whether you're baking, roasting, air frying, or dehydrating, it ensures consistent, delicious results every time. The Element IQ system steers power when and where it's needed for precisely cooked food that's crisp, juicy, and flavorful. Recipes for home and kitchen. Breville Plus opens a world of instant mastery with over 1,000 guided recipes, live and on-demand classes, cook guides, and more, recipes from leading food content experts, tested and tuned exclusively for your Breville appliance. Joule Autopilot. The automated multi-event cooking experience guides you through recipes and moves smoothly between cooking modes. Press start and the Breville Smart Oven does the rest, handling the tricky stuff so you can enjoy the fun parts. Element IQ system. With 5 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer oven's power where and when it's needed to create a tailored cooking environment. Sensing and digital PID temperature control eliminate cold spots for precise cooking. 13 smart oven functions, simple food present resulting from thousands of hours of food testing, data research, and tested algorithms. These versatile cooking functions are built in and on the Breville Joule Oven app for maximum versatility and usability. Guided recipes. Access step-by-step recipes for your smart oven air fryer from brands including Epicurious, New York Times Cooking, Serious Eats, America's Test Kitchen, Chef Steps, the Breville Test Kitchen, and more with Breville Plus. Voice activation. Hey Google, set the oven to bake. Countertop air fryer and oven allows you to cook hands-free with voice activation, helps when you're doing 10 things in the kitchen simultaneously, compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The Breville Joule Smart Countertop Oven Air Fryer is more than just an oven, it's your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With cutting-edge features and app connectivity, it helps you cook with confidence and ease, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.